Today, such eminent members of the media fraternity coming out to support this independent, inclusive venture of ours. Really, I'm really touched, guys, that you all came. It means a lot to me, so thank you. And now, I'd just like to put some thoughts out there. What are we doing here today? What's happening today? So this, for me, bye. I just want to say my bit, and then it's all you.
Yeah, say your piece. Just go for it.
Okay, काफी handsome लग रहा है मेरा भाई. In case you're wondering who this handsome gentleman is sitting on my right, who looks kind of like me, he looks like my brother. This is Navzar Irani, ladies and gentlemen. He is my best friend, my soul, my life, my guide, my big brother. He's like my blood. And I'm very proud and very happy to be sharing the stage with him today, working on what is my passion project, our passion project. So this about me, or rather for me, is about giving back. What you'll hear today is the music I love. These are the people I love. This is family. This is what we do. We're artists. We're expressing, and this is the kind of vibe that I like. This is the kind of music that I like, that I love. Now, you know, being an outsider, I've always wanted to support new talent. Outstanding talent that deserves to be heard, deserves to be seen. And that's there in every street of our country. There's so many talented kids, they just need a platform. Kid just needs a pen and a mic and a beat. And this is something Navzar and I discussed when we were in Amsterdam in 2016. This is before Gully Boy. And this is something we've always wanted to do. I've always been into music, alternative music, underground music, electronica, hip-hop especially, ever since I was a kid. So this, for me, launching a record label here at this 5-star hotel with all these eminent people from the media fraternity, and we have our first video out, and it's going to drop today, and people are going to see it, and it's something we have created, and it's something that is us. There is nothing more authentically that could be regarded as a manifestation of our vibe than the music that you'll hear today and the art that you'll see today, and moving forward as well. So today we're going to launch our logo, our artists. We've signed 3 artists. We have Kam Bhari, we have Spitfire, we have Slow Cheetah. You may be familiar with some of their music. Some of them were featured in Gully Boy, and rightly so. The definitive feature film on hip-hop would have been incomplete without these guys, who we believe are the most special talents in the country today. But it's, and that's what it is. It's not about us. It's about the artists. You know, we've started this initiative for artists and art. We are artists ourselves. And as the line says, it's
for artists, for art.
For artists, for art.
Yeah.
So I think this is a big and significant moment for us, for music. You know, just the fact that we've been able to put this together is a big thing in itself. You know, we're unearthing new talents, we're nurturing them, we're endorsing them, we're bringing them forward. And I think it's a funky time for original music in our country, honestly. I mean, we have this remix culture that's going on. Anu ma'am, you've had several debates with, various talents about this as well. It's a very pertinent subject, like, where's the original music, you know? The remix culture, there's nothing wrong with it. I love it. I love these songs. They're my favorite pop and mainstream songs. Hell, one of my biggest songs is a remix song, and it's kick-ass, and I love it, and I rock out to it. And it was a huge hit as well. So remixes are great, but it has to coexist with original music, authentic music. You know, I mean, 50 years from now, we're going to need something to remix. You know what I mean? So it's important to encourage artists who have an original voice, who have something to say. And you know, it's just about the expression. As long as we can empower them to authentically express themselves, that's the best thing we can do. Because we're not in any kind of rat race, you know. हम लोग देख नहीं रहे कि कितना million view हुआ, 50 million, 100 million, कितने time में हुआ, all this. Just the fact that, you know, we've discovered them and that we're allowing them to be heard is great for us, because we believe they are authentic artists. Their expression is authentic. दिल की बात जो है वो बयां कर रहे हैं, लोग उनसे connect कर रहे हैं. अगर आप देखो तो गली बॉय के द्वारा already इनकी कुछ ना कुछ fan following बन गई है. आगे जाते हुए और भी बढ़ेगी इंशाल्लाह. So yeah. If you've been blessed, I believe if you've been blessed with something, then the best thing that you can do is pay it forward. And here I am, launching this record label and launching these new boys, and we really hope that you love them and love their music and show them some love.
Big ups on the boys.
Navs, what is this, man? What is this? What is this? Inc. What is this record label about? What are you doing here? What is this whole enterprise about?
I think you've said everything there is to say about music and about Inc. But in a nutshell, I would say that we love music, we love musicians, we love other artists. We believe that we're artists ourselves. Ranveer is an established actor. I'm a filmmaker. We really wanted to push our own boundaries and see how we can collaborate with different people that can take us forward, you know, become more than what we really are. So we're really inspired. And that's what Inking is about. It's about doing what we want to do, doing it in a small way and a big way, however it comes out, but basically doing what we want to do. That's what Inking stands for. So.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I would like to show you the stuff that we've been working on. So we've got this really, really cool logo for our record label that I would like to show to you right about now. Anaida, can we put this on a t-shirt? All right, so it's got a lot going on actually. Navs, you want to talk us through how this came about? Took a lot of work, huh?
I mean, actually, it was a pretty superficial thought. We said we should have something that looks like something that we're ready to put on our body. It should be tattooable, right? So that's where the Inking, the excellence of the Inking tattoo came from. I should be able to put that on my body freely. Besides that, it has a lot of metaphor, a lot of concept behind it. You can clearly see the curve within the subject. Inc, INC, stands for inclusive. We feel that the conversations need to be more inclusive. We need to include other people in our lives, other artists, be it painters, be it singers, be it writers, be it poets. We need to make space for that and include that kind of idea. So all conversations can be more inclusive, so we have less collisions, you know, and more collaborations. INK essentially means ink, which is your story, his story, my story, everyone's individual story. Ink can also extend to Inkalab, which is revolution. So essentially, you can call it an inclusive revolution, which is the romantic way of putting it, but that's our expression. Ranveer?
It is a revolution. This music is a revolution. I am so blown by this music. The people who make our music are the very, very talented Anushka Manchanda, who you met some time ago. Shikhar Manchanda, you know, who is just an unbelievable talent. The kind of music he makes, these kind of beats, I've never heard before. It's the most unique thing. I mean, I've been listening to music all my life. I've traveled the world. I've collected music from people. I have a vast music collection. I'm a real music aficionado. When I hear the stuff this kid comes up with, it blows my brains. I've never heard anything like it. It's like, what is this?
Yeah,
what is
Shikhar.
this? Yeah, Shikhar. Yeah,
Very
Shikhar. You know, because it's like he's a metal boy. He has a metal background. It's got metal, dub, grime, electronica. It's hard. You know, ऐसे बोलने को तो बहुत अच्छा है, hard है. ये वाकई hard है, लाला.
Yeah, I want to say something. We wanted to have an original experience in creation, with the music, with what we're making in film, with what we're painting with. So everything that's come together to make Ink Ink, we would like to say is original, is authentic. It's not, if it's been derived from anywhere, it's just inspiration. It's just something that's titillated us. That's about it. But otherwise, as Ranveer is saying, it's hard, it's inspiring, and it's young. You know, it's for people with whose belief systems are still intact. People who believe that things can still happen, things can still change, and we can still influence the world in whatever little way that we can.
Right, all right, all right. Now that the logo has been launched, we would, without much further ado, like to introduce you to our artists. First up is a very handsome kid. You may have seen him in Gully Boy in the beginning of what is a very successful trailer.
I think you should speak really, really slowly when you're announcing his name. Just really slowly. As slow as you can.
Why? As slow as I can. Okay, I've got a lot of love for this kid. He's from my hood, the 050. He's immensely talented. He has a unique presence, a unique flow, unique thoughts and expressions, and he is our boy. So check him out. Ladies and gentlemen, it's Slow Cheetah. Yes! Yes! Ladies and gentlemen, my boy Chaitanya Sharma, aka Slow Cheetah. Talk us to this name, brother. Why Slow Cheetah?
Actually, बचपन से my mom named me Cheetah क्योंकि मेरा एक बड़ा भाई है. मेरे माँ ने बोला मेरे घर शेर और चीते पैदा हुए हैं. तो चीता तब से चिपक गया, and I like to keep it slow, keep it easy, keep it gangster, so that everyone understands मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, समझ में आए. So Slow Cheetah.
समझ में आएगा तो ही लगेगा ना दिल को भाई. Oh, Cheetah, what is your connection with Navzar, man? Tell me something about what do you think of this guy?
He's the Shanti in my life. I think Navzar is just the perfect guiding light anyone can ask for. Not about hip-hop music, everything in life generally. He's just the perfect guide to take you through life and just give you some peace of mind and explain to you what the best options are, क्या करना चाहिए, कब करना चाहिए, कैसे करना चाहिए. And he's also one of the most genius directors I have met. I don't even know if he knows how good he is. And we're just so privileged to be able to be directed by this guy.
That's true, brother. I've been directed by him several times and I can vouch for that. So tell us about Ink Ink. We're like family, man. Tell him, let him know. Let him know.
I mean, this is family. It doesn't feel like work. We're just a lot of boys and some girls having fun, having a good time, enjoying ourselves backstage, on stage, on camera, off camera. We're just having fun, and apparently it's work. So it feels amazing. I mean, look who we are a part of. Look who's hired us, and it just feels so special to be on the stage.
That guys, that could not be more true. You know, it is like family. There's full trust. There's no expectation. There's no pressure. We're just doing this because we want to express, and we love each other's company. We love collaborating with each other. We love and respect each other as artists, and we're just collaborating. It's the purest and most joyous environment to be creating art in. Thank you, Chaitanya. Looking forward to you dropping him hard. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was our first artist, Slow Cheetah. Coming up next, सीधा मध्य प्रदेश से मिश्रा जी का लड़का. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you the poet of the new generation, Navzar Irani. Who is this kid?
I have a guru-shishya relationship with him. He's the guru, I'm the shishya.
Oh my God, Mishra ji ka ladka. Oh, that's poetry, ladies and gentlemen. This is a 19-year-old kid from Madhya Pradesh, believe it or not.
That's true, he's 19 years old.
सीधा
fam.
मध्य से represent. इतनी छोटी उम्र में इतनी बड़ी और गहरी सोच कैसी है नितिन? क्या लाइफ देखी है तूने कि तेरे अंदर से ऐसी पंक्तियां निकलती हैं?
कुछ नहीं ऐसा खास तो कुछ नहीं देखा, बट हाँ चीज़ें चल रही हैं, मैं देख रहा हूँ. बचपन से मैं सहमा रहा हूँ क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था कैसे बोलना. अगर कोई मुझसे ज़्यादा चिल्ला के बोल दे तो मैं डर जाता था. तो एक यही तरीका है मेरे पास जिससे मैं बोल सकता हूँ, या जो दुख है अंदर का या गुस्सा है, कुछ भी है, जो भी फीलिंग है, मैं सिर्फ कागज़ पे निकाल सकता हूँ. इतना ही मुझे आता है और शुरू से मैं इस चीज़ को ही प्यार दे रहा हूँ और बदले में उसने मुझे यहाँ लाया. तो अब मेरी बारी है कि मैं उसको आगे ले जाऊँ.
pen game is too strong, Lala. It's too strong. They don't know. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the writer of Asli Hip Hop, the song from Gully Boy, which became ever
That's
so
right.
popular. The whole world has appreciated the lyrical quality of that song, and it's come out of this right here. This guy blows our brain. When he writes, it's like stuff you've never heard before. You know, if I may say so, we've had the good fortune of being in the presence and interacting with some of the finest musical talents, writing talents. And when they see Nitin's stuff, they all have the same reaction. They can't believe that this kind of stuff
No,
is
that's-
coming out of this kid.
That's absolutely true. He's 19 years old and he's got books, encyclopedias filled with writing, poetry, stories. I think for Nitin, rap and hip hop as part of music is one of the things that he does. But in terms of language and how far he can take it, we'll all be pleasantly surprised in another decade or so. So everyone give it up for Nitin.
What a
please.
line, man. कलाकार मैं कल को आकार दूं यही है मेरा धर्म मेरी दूसरी कोई जात है ना. Ladies and gentlemen, Spitfire. भाईजान एक बार वो तवायफ वाली लाइन एक और ऑन को.
मैं गहरा सा घाव मैं मर्ज हूँ, मैं पैसा और सिर पे मैं कर्ज हूँ, प्यार हूँ माशूक भी नफरत भी, तड़पते मैं आशिक का दर्द हूँ. मैं तवायफ हूँ कोठे की नाजायस हूँ, पर जायस हूँ देवी हूँ. मैं कुछ भी ना हो के सब कुछ हूँ.
ओहो जाके बैठ जा भाई, बैठ ही जा. तू whatever this kid sits on is like a throne, a king
Too much.
for all new age writers.
Too
Now,
much.
ladies and gentlemen, the next talent, without much further ado, ladies and gentlemen, the next talent is
I mean, I think everyone is screaming his name and everyone loves him and is really proud of him. But Kam was like, he's the littlest guy in the room, you know? He's the most ignored guy in the room. But when he opens his mouth, phew,
आरतू बेटी तराजू पर वजन भारी कसम खारी तोड़ू की काटा फटाफट दबादब कचाकच सटासट. सुन रहा है भाई, सुन रहा है.
सबको पता hai.
Ladies and gentlemen, clearly needs no introduction. I give you Kam Bhari. Who is this? What is he saying? What is this flow? You know, his flow is like a chabuk. It just comes chaka 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 chaka. आरतू बेटी तराजू पर वजन भारी कसम खारी तोड़ू की काटा फटाफट दबादब कचाकच सटासट चाटे लाते घुसे खाके चूमे.
हूँ मैं कहते साथ ना देते पर मैंने भी देने पर बोला किधर
लिखा इधर टीका लगा तो का मीठा.
बीता वक्त ठहरे ये बिल्ली में चीता छीना सब ये मेरा हक
सासे हम
सासे सब कातिल हम गेम में शातिर हम
माहिर हम बम्बैया स्वैग कमैया रैप दम नहीं ये वैग.
हमसे ये ग्रेट
बनना चाहे सब कांदिवली 101 माइक पे चेक.
साइड दे बे
हाई पे तेरे भाई की बैठ जा साइड में. So
I'll tell you something about Kam when we were going through all the videos. Actually, in 2016, we went through around 1,600 rappers, 1,500 rappers. We narrowed them down to 350, came down further to 27, came down to 11, and then to 4. And with respect to everybody else, he was the only kid that we saw the first time when we saw him on YouTube. We said, he's in. I mean, there's no way there's anyone...
we said holy expletive.
Yeah, we said holy explicitly.
So a lot of people who are connected to hip hop already know about Kam Bhari, and they've been hugely anticipating when he's going to drop his first single, and it's been a long time coming, to be honest. If you're one of those people who are connected to hip hop and know about this guy and his music, you keep asking the questions: when's it going to drop? When's the first one going to drop? I very proudly would like to tell you here right now with you all in this room today. Now is when it is going to drop, ladies and gentlemen. We have Kam Bhari's first official video. Is it time to see? Is it time to see it?
Yeah,
Yes?
we can rock it, no?
Yes, time to drop it.
Gotham? Yeah, okay.
G-Man, you got us? All right, ladies and gentlemen, I present to you, Ink very proudly presents by none other than Kam Bhari. This is the first drop of Ink. This is Kam Bhari's first official single. It's called Zeher.